to hustle, there ain't no time for sleep. Just keep on moving, do what you're doing. You always play for keeps. Ain't backing down, no, we're going big. Ain't stopping now, we get.
And warmest round of applause for the person we are celebrating tonight, Miss Sabina Chris Lettera.
Also, don't forget to showcase your talent, your talented self as you are. Kasi you're super talented. You and Bea, super talented, super galing drawings. So yun, happy birthday lang. Happy birthday and I love you. Let's continue our chikahan in Starbucks later.
Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana lahat ng best opportunity, lalo na sa career, is dumating sa'yo. Yun lang. Sana lahat, for sure naman, lahat ng gusto mong maabot, maabot mo.
If I am beaten, I'm not defeated. I fight back to the top.
Receive what you give and you make me feel safe and comfortable. Kaya I hope na I can give that to you as well. Happy 18. Now that you're turning 18, I hope that you always follow your heart. You are one of the most talented and smartest person that I know. Kaya don't be afraid to take every opportunity na ma-face mo ngayong 18 ka na.
Get after it.
Success in college, about being mature, but I want you to remember that everyone has their own time, and that I hope you find fulfillment in yours.
Well, my wish for you is to enjoy your life, always be a good daughter and a good sister. I'm positive that you'll reach your dreams. Lay and I are always here for you. We love you.
Our advisor used to be concerned about us not joining in with our classmates. Pero she became concerned kasi we only stuck to each other instead. We were always a package deal. Kapag group work, lagi tayong magkasama and I would drag you with me. And we always chose to do fair works with each other. Even if sometimes yung group works natin parang fair works.
Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Can't stop me now. Ain't backing down. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do.
Happy birthday, Iya! But you know naman, lahat gagawin ko para sa'yo, lahat ng tao aawain ko para sa'yo, lahat gagawin ko para sa'yo kasi baby kita. I love you! Huwag ka na umiyak, marami tayo ng Stray Kids, pupunta pa tayo Korea, iinit ka na, pwede ka na gumala.
Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do.
Tinuro namin sa iyong mabubuting ugali ay lagi mong babaunin at dadalhin saan ka magpunta. And last, always be good even if others are not. Even if others do not. And be kind to others even if they are not to you. Keep spreading love even if you don't get it back.
Get after it.
We are proud of you. Tahimik lang naman ako, pero I will always support you.
Put it all out on the line. Give it your all every time. Put it all out on the line. Give it your all every time. Get after it.
I'm super thankful na all of you made the time to come here and celebrate
my birthday.